Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lisa and this is Our Life on a Dime. And today we have box number 4 of the Michaels clearance grab bag mystery boxes. So stay tuned. Alrighty friends, so here we go with day number 4. I'm going to give you guys the first peek with me before I tip the box over. So let's see what we have. So far, box 1 has been the best in my opinion. Box 2 was okay. It was just filled with a lot of decorations, I guess you can say. Bigger items, and box 3 was all of the same items. So we're hoping for something different because we were hoping for more craft items, not so much decor, but that's okay because like I've told you before, I'm a reseller and I'm planning on selling anything in lots on eBay if there's anything that I can't use for crafting. So it's not going to go to waste no matter what. I'm going to find a use for it. So that's no problem. So let's get a first peek here. And like I said, every one of the boxes have been open, you know, like not open, but have not been taped. So hoping that, it seems like there's stuff on the top here, so hopefully it hasn't been picked through. That's my hope for it. So far, I think the other boxes have been okay, but we'll see. It's so hard to get over this. How is everybody else's boxes? Have you guys done these boxes before? How are your boxes? Leave a comment down below and let us know what you received in your mystery box. Alright guys, here goes nothing. Okay, alright. I see some dogs up front here, front and center, so that's always a good sign. Alright guys. See some pumpkins and some dog costumes, which we'll go over that in a minute. Obviously, my dogs are big German Shepherds. They won't be able to use these, but I do have a cat. Miss Sassy could wear one of these. We'll see. Hold on one second. Let me flip the box over. Alrighty, friends. So this is what it looks like when I flipped it over, because it's just easier for me to get everything out that way and show you guys at the same time. So, as we've seen on the top, we have dog costume. Looks like a bat, which is cute. It's extra small. That might fit my cat. And they're saying that the retail value is $29.99. What do you think, guys? I'll have to take a look at this, but yeah, it's sort of like people's clothing. The reason why they are in the box is because whenever you get into like the small, petite, or the extra smalls, they're very hard to sell. So that's why they're left over. But that's okay. Like I said, we'll find a way to use these or sell them or whatever. And it's a bat costume, so that'll be cute. Let me write these down. I'm going to keep a tally for you guys because we paid 30. This was $30. We paid $10 for this box. I'm dealing with a sore throat, guys. I have I don't know if it's my allergies or if I'm starting to get sick. Dealing with a sore throat today. Alright guys. Oh my goodness, I love this one. Look at the pretty costume. Oh, I love the colors. Dog costume. We got a witch. That is super cute. Oh my gosh. And this is a size small petite. I'll have to see. Probably the extra small would fit my cat. My cat is really tiny. Very cute. I got another $30. And what else do we have in here, guys? These pumpkins. I bought, oh my gosh, look at this. You can make like a little display. Put like little things inside there for Halloween or for Thanksgiving. I like this. I've never seen anything like this before. Right, the lids of the box is driving me crazy, guys. Sorry. And I was going to say, I've purchased one of these kind of pumpkins exactly like this from Hobby Lobby. And they're not cheap. So I wonder how much this one is with the little thing cut out of it. Yeah, see, $24.99. I don't know why. I guess because they're so realistic looking. Nice and lightweight. This would be so cute. Like I said, put like a little scenery inside here with like, I don't know, whatever you decide to do. That would be so super cute. Got those little people in the other box, the little trick-or-treaters. I could put those in there and make like a little town inside the pumpkin. That would be adorable with some fairy lights. Yeah, that's a keeper. What is that? $24.99. So that's $25. We're gonna round up. What do we have here, guys? Oh, we got a black one. Oh my gosh, why is this box doing this to me? What's happening? Okay, guys, we have a black pumpkin, the same as the orange one. I like the orange one better, but this one would be cute if you're gonna do like, I don't know, something in black, like a black themed. I don't know why I was thinking of Beetlejuice, but you know what I'm talking about, like with black and white or whatever, would look really pretty in there. $24.99. Oh my gosh, we got a pumpkin puppy. That is super adorable. And this is a medium. That's surprising, because I thought they were all going to be the extra small or small. So that's really good. This will definitely have no problem selling. I do really well with with children's Halloween costumes. If you guys ever go to the Goodwill bins, you'll see a lot of, you know, like princess clothing or Halloween costumes. Pick those up when you're at the bins, because those things sell really well online. I had a bunch of Halloween costumes and I got really good money for them. So this one is $29.99. So this one, because it's a medium, they're charging you $5 more, guys. $29.99 for 30 bucks. I'll probably be able to get at least 15 or 20 for it. Yep, see. I knew that was too good to be true. Why does this one feel super thin? I mean, that's a medium. And this is the extra small. That's a big difference. But yeah, that would be cute too with my cat. Little pumpkin. Why this one's $29.99 too. Let me check this out. Why are these other ones cheaper? Oh no, I'm writing down the wrong prices, guys. I'm telling you, I told you I wasn't feeling good. So they all are $29.99. The pumpkins were $25. All right, I'll get with it, guys. I really should have waited till tomorrow to film this video, but I just want to do these for you guys so I can get them out. And start separating and deciding what I'm going to do with everything. I don't like having all these boxes laying around my house. I got enough inventory laying around, so I want to get these boxes separated and, you know, figured out whether I'm going to be crafting with it, whether I'm going to be reselling it, what, you know, what am I doing with it, and then dealing with it. All right, guys, so they are $29.99. I saw 25 and was thinking that they were 25. So no, okay, so they're 30. So I got 4 for $30. And we got 2 pumpkins for 25. I'll get with the program, guys, I promise. All right, guys, so it doesn't look like we have much more in here. Let's check it out. Okay, we have a silicone baking cup. And it looks like a, what do you call it, a cauldron or whatever? Is that what they're called? Those witches' pots or whatever. So that's pretty cool. They want 13 for those. Looks like we got some more silicone. And what in the world? Silicone treat mold. Halloween. Oh, okay, because I was like, they're not going to stand up if you put them like that because they're rounded on the bottom, but I got them upside down, guys. They're little ghosts. Okay. Now I get it. Okay. So what would you do with this? Would you make jello molds with it, or would you use cake? I mean, it's silicone, so it would be able to go in the oven, I'm assuming. You could probably make like little cake cups. What would you guys do with this? Oh, look, and they got all different facial expressions. Oh, look at that one. That one's adorable. What would you guys do with this? All right, guys, how much was this? $12.99. So we got another $13 item. And we have one more item, guys. Another one of the pink cauldrons. So at least I can lot these up together. I'll lot them up and sell them together. And that's 13. So let me add this up and I'll be right back. All right, friends, so I just went ahead and added everything up, and this one is $209. Not the worst. I think the worst was $100. Was it $100? So definitely not the worst, but not the best either. So we got 2 extra small costumes, 1 small and 1 medium, and the silicone cups and the cauldrons and the 2 pumpkins. I really like that orange pumpkin, guys. That one's definitely nice. So it definitely, you know, I'm definitely going to get my money back on this, so I'm not worried about that whatsoever. But some boxes, I mean, you really have to be grateful for. Like that first box was almost $500 worth of merchandise in there. So it was definitely a blessing, guys. But it just, I'm glad I'm getting different stuff too. I seen a lot of people getting a lot of flowers, and I'm glad I didn't get all flowers like that because they take up, you know, take up room, and I don't know. I just really would have to think about what I would do with them. I mean, other than making arrangements or a wreath, I don't really know what I would do with a bunch of flowers. So at least with this stuff, I have a better chance of selling it. Because I don't know what the money return is on silk, you know, like the silk flowers or whatever. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. That is box number 4. Please leave a comment down below and let me know if you, how you like this. If you thought I got a good deal. I paid $10 for this, and like I said, I will definitely have no problem, even with the extra small. I think it will just take me a lot longer to sell them, if I do decide to sell them, but I definitely will have no problem selling these. The only thing I'm kind of iffy about is the silicone cups, to be honest with you. I don't know how well those would sell. I think the pumpkins, just because I've never seen these before, you know, with the cutout like that, where you can put like a little, you know, a little town with little people in there or whatever. I think that would be a really cute idea. Even if you wanted to like decorate it with other things, I think it would be super cool. And like I said, the black one as well. I don't really like black pumpkins, but I guess there's a niche for that, I guess. You know, people liking that stuff. So, all right, guys, if you like this kind of content, would you please like this video? Leave a comment down below. Leave us an emoji, a dog emoji or a cat emoji or a pumpkin, or leave us some kind of an emoji. Let us know that you watched us all the way to the end. And thanks for watching, guys. Until tomorrow, stay blessed.